Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to block someone in Facebook without them knowing. So let's head over to the Facebook application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the search section and here search for any person. Let's say I am just searching for, let's say this person, and head over to their profile. And if you want to just block them, what you to do is just to tap on the three dots icon just beside their message option. And here you will find the option of block. Just tap on block. And here, as you can see, they can't know that you have blocked him and blocked them, but you will not receive their message or text, or you can't see their profile anymore. So just confirm by tapping block. And as you can see, Facebook is currently blocking this user from your account and the person is blocked. So it says blocks are profile specific and apply individually. This block won't apply to that person's other profiles, but they will limit some of the ways she can interact with you from her or other profiles. So tap on close and the person is now blocked on your Facebook. And Facebook doesn't let the person know that if you have blocked them or restricted them or anything. So yeah, this is how easily you can just block someone on Facebook without them knowing. I hope this video helped you out and we'll see you in the next video.